I was going to say push this down because it's not going to get past it.
3 or more feet, so you're getting you're pulling up and in.
Oh, sure.
Let her down. Once if we can get it over to here, yeah, just like that, and that'll bring the front end down a little bit more. Turn it so it goes down like this and up. Yep.
There is not a good place to
I'm
dig.
staying for a week. Yeah, we're staying for a full week. Yeah.
Because that rear end's only going to slide.
Last year we ended up staying a few more days even.
Yeah, you
we
guys did.
Yeah. He's got to be to work on Monday this time though. He took 3 weeks off, but it was for the man trip.
Yeah.
The sheriff's posse had their ride out thing, so.
Yeah. How long you guys have more? Oh, we're leaving tomorrow. Oh, shucks. If, we can get out. If we can get out, yeah. We're going to have to wait for you guys to go on a ride. Then we'll be able to pull out.
I do like your idea of wait for the guys to show up.
Right? That's my philosophy. Listen, I've done Phoenix.
Oh, wow.
We sold our house and we've just been living in our RV for the last month and a half. Yeah. Waiting for
Hitting the
prices to come down
dunes.
and then we'll buy again, yeah. So we went up through Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, back through Idaho, Washington, Oregon. Go back when the weather cools off, we'll go back down. Maybe we'll get some jobs or something. I don't know. Maybe not.
It's coming out.
Yeah. We typically don't have too much height.
I don't know how much arm Hank's got left. He's ratcheting that thing perfect.
Hot. Way too hot. I think 100 is fine. But anything hotter than 100.
Yeah, like
Anything